Hi, I'm Diane McSorley, and I'm with ACS Learning. I'm here to share a quick tip with you. These tips are under 2 minutes in length and are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Today's tip is inserting a hyperlink quickly and easily. And you can see here, we'll be using Control K. Now, Control K works in a variety of programs, and the windows that you see, it's a little bit different. So check them out and give it a shot. Let's go do this. So I'll click where I want the hyperlink to go, Control K, and the dialog pops up. Now, as I come into the address bar down at the bottom, I'll plug in the website that I'd like to link to. And at this point, I can just click OK. If I click OK, right there where my cursor was blinking, it'll pop in exactly what I typed. So it'll say www.acslearning.com. That's what it'll say. Sometimes, though, we want it to look a little bit different. So here in the text to display field, I can change that up and say, visit ACS Learning. And that's the text that it'll show. So you've got options. If you'd like the website address to show, don't put in any different text to display. If you want it to display different text, then yes, absolutely change it up. I click OK, and it pops right in. I hope you found this tip helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tip. Have a great day.